In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an Amazon affiliate account, also known as joining the Amazon Associates program. This step-by-step guide will help you through the process of signing up, providing necessary information, and setting everything up so you can start sharing affiliate links and tracking your earnings. Let's dive right in. First, head over to the official Amazon Associates website. Here, you'll notice a sign-up button, which you should click to get started. At this point, Amazon will prompt you to either sign in with an existing Amazon account or create a new one. Now, while you can use an existing account, it's often a smart choice to create a dedicated Amazon account specifically for your affiliate activities. This not only keeps your business activities separate from your personal Amazon activities, but also helps streamline your bookkeeping and analytics. Next, input your account information. This step is crucial as it lays the foundation for your affiliate business. Amazon will ask for your contact details, so be sure to provide current and accurate information. As you continue, you'll need to choose a unique Associates ID. Think of this ID as a unique identifier for your affiliate business. Try to keep it professional and relevant to your niche, making it easy for people to recognize. Now, let's move on to providing the details about where you'll be sharing these affiliate links. You'll need to list the websites, mobile apps, or YouTube channels that you'll use to promote Amazon products. Be thorough and make sure to include any and all platforms where you are active. This helps Amazon understand how you'll be driving traffic to the site and legitimizes your application. Following this, you'll have to complete your profile by describing your content. Explain what your website, channel, or app is all about and how you bring visitors to these platforms. This section is your chance to make a strong impression. Give Amazon a clear idea of your business model and audience demographics. How do you engage with your audience? Be clear and concise, highlighting any significant traffic-generating strategies you employ. The final piece of the puzzle involves setting up your payment preferences and entering your tax information. Choose a payment method that works best for you, whether that's by check, an Amazon gift card, or a direct bank transfer. You'll also need to enter any required tax details to comply with regulations. This step is essential to ensure you're compensated correctly for your affiliate activities. Once you've completed these steps, all that's left to do is submit your application. Amazon will review the information you've provided and, if all goes well, approve your account. Upon approval, you'll gain access to the Associates Central, a hub where you can generate affiliate links, monitor clicks, and track earnings. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be well on your way to starting your journey as an Amazon affiliate. Happy earning!